how to bold text on Twitter app. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up Google or any browser in your mobile device. And in the search bar, search for Yay Bold Text. After that, click on the first link on your interface that says yaytext.com. Now you will land on this interface. Here scroll down and there you will find a text box that says your text. So there you have to type in the text that you want to bold in Twitter. Once you're done, scroll down and there you'll find this bold option at the top. So you have to tap on this copy option on your right hand side. Once this text is copied, now you have to open up the Twitter application or X app from your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now to create a post, tap on this plus button in your interface on your right hand side. From there again tap on the last option that says post. Now in this interface you have to simply paste the text that you have copied from Yay Bold Text. So that's your text. Now once you're done, tap on this post button from the top right corner and that's how you can bold text on Twitter application. That's all for today's video. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.